Did you see the sound? I'm really scared from history and something.
Nothing happens. Don't worry.
What will happen in exam? So these thoughts are also worse than exam when you were younger.
Because we do use the virtual world for a purpose. Which type of exam? Like there are two types of exams. One is the mobile. The dear proposal than is there.
All right. Hello. I'm just enjoying the cool air.
The cool air.
And it's a stormy air.
Yeah.
We should give more priority to. What was the question?
This is because of the online steps, right?
Exactly.
We forget protect the mobile phone at least. This is the only one mobile.
What about me? If this becomes me, then what will happen? Oh, learning English is really difficult and it's quite, tough and my brain is not working and, when I'm learning it, so something is happening here. I know what kind of lame excuses these are.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Today again we are starting the conversation, English conversation, and you see this guy. Where is he? What he's doing? Okay. So this is the person. I'm going to start the conversation. Hello, what's going on?
Hello, I'm just enjoying the cool air.
The cool air?
And it's a stormy air.
Stormy and windy?
Stormy and windy,
yeah,
exactly.
And I think
it's about to rain.
Yeah, it's about to rain. And the weather is perfectly nice and cool. And I hope today we will enjoy. Yeah. Okay, so should we sit there? This is the place.
Of course, definitely.
This is our place where we will sit, and Mr.
Now
Rahmat.
we are about listening there, and we are starting a very funny, learningful conversation together.
Yeah, really? Are you ready?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's sit down. First, you sit down, or we will equally sit down.
Oh, yeah.
This is equality.
Exactly. Yeah, equality.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Ooh,
so now,
look at this tree.
Yeah.
This tree become more crazy. I don't know.
Yeah.
And
okay. So now you can hold it.
Oh, good.
And then I will hold.
Just giving me to hold the phone, sir?
No. First. Okay. First I will hold, and then you will hold.
But it's quite heavy. I don't know where you bought this mobile. It's really heavy.
First time trying, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So today again we have these questions.
Absolutely.
We have got these questions from somewhere, from the internet, some websites, and I haven't taken them right now, but like years ago, and right now I don't know from where I have got these questions, but they are perfectly nice questions. Okay, so what is the first question?
So the first question is, which is more difficult to learn, English or your language?
Well, I think for me, any language which doesn't have a proper ecosystem or environment, that is difficult.
Exactly.
Yeah. So for me, my language is easy for me because I do have an environment around me. And for those who doesn't have some sort of environment, so that language might be difficult for them.
Absolutely, I agreed with you. I think for when we don't have any environment, so it's a bit tough and it's a bit tricky for us to learn a language. So when you get an environment, as we got the environment for our language, like we can speak fluently because we are speaking in our family, we are speaking outside with friends, with colleagues. So I think it's quite easy. If you do have a good environment for the language, so I think you will easily get and you'll easily learn. If you don't have any environment for that, so I think it's quite difficult to learn.
Agreed, 100%. And the second thing is that English, it has more content on the internet. Like everywhere there's English. If you look at the signboards or wherever you go in schools, everywhere there is English. So we do not have a complete English language environment, but we do have partial environment.
There are some eager and keen learner.
Yeah.
They're saying that, learning English is really difficult and it's quite, tough and my brain is not working and, when I'm learning it, so something is happening here. I know what kind of lame excuses these are.
Yeah.
And I think it's really, really easy. Okay, you do have, this videos are available on YouTube, yeah. Read the newspaper, reading English books, try to practice with yourself, try to record some videos, go to the mirror, record it. the video you watch, just practice on that. I think it's quite easy.
Yeah,
What is your opinion about this?
Yeah, I do the same. I do have the same thinking, the same opinion. Anything is easy, but it totally depends upon you. How do you react to something? What is the next question?
And the next question is, what things are you better at than your best friend?
Okay, so there are some things naturally I'm better than other people who do not possess the same nature. And then there are some other things at which I did a lot of experiments for a longer time. I have been doing those things. So I think these two types are the things I'm very better at than my other friends who do not possess the same nature as I have for the same things.
Okay, the next question is, are people today luckier than they were 50 years ago?
Well, this is a question which is like, mostly people think like people of this era or that era or this type or that type. I do not believe on these things. There is no past or future. There is only and only present.
Exactly.
So present at this moment, like we are lucky. We do have a lot of things right now. And at that time, 50 years ago, those people were lucky because they did have the same things, whatever they needed at that time. So there is no bad luck.
Okay.
I think every era's people are good or lucky.
All right.
What do you think?
Exactly. Yeah, I agreed with you.
Okay.
Okay. So the next question is it better to study English in a class or online?
I think it is better to start studying English at a class, in a class, right?
All right.
Because in class you do have practically and people there are engaged with you. On the class, yeah, it is online. It is also good. Whenever you want, you can watch videos or you could have access online. So instantly, and for connectivity purpose, online learning is good.
Yeah.
And for enjoying, I think practical class is good. Yeah.
Absolutely. I agree. Yeah. If class is really better because you will have, oh my God, it's really stormy air.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that tree. Oh my God. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. So class is really because you will have partner, friends over there, and especially you'll be having a guider, a trainer or teacher. He will guide you. He will just give you suggestion about it. So I personally prefer the class learning.
Yeah. And
there will be a proper environment for you.
In the class you could use different types of approaches.
Exactly.
Online you can't use. You can use methods online, but approaches are really tiny, unseenable, small, vibes by which you could motivate the people to learn English,
Absolutely.
to engage them. So practically that is more better.
Yeah.
We would suggest you to learn English practically.
And I'm also agreed with the online that for example, you're not getting time and you're really busy. For example, nowadays we are just by name busy, yeah? So yeah, if you are busy, extremely busy, then yeah, you can get access to online learning because just watch videos for that and just get such online teachers or something. Yeah. So this also helpful.
Okay. What is the next question?
The next question is, I'm really scared from this tree and something.
Nothing happens. Don't worry.
Oh my God.
Don't worry.
It's quite
It
crazy.
won't
This
hurt
tree.
you.
And it's taller. This tree is really taller. Look at that. It's too taller. Oh my God. Look at
hurt
it.
you.
Look at that. It's too tall. It's called,
It's called.
Okay, all right. Okay, let's come to other question. And the other question is, are you happier now or were you happier when you were younger?
Happiness is inside.
Exactly.
From within inside, whatever is the situation. I mean, the timing. Sometime I am happy and sometime I'm not happy. So it is not because of the timing or the errors. I think it is because of my inside status and how do I respond to different situations. Yeah. Again.
Oh my God! Look at this air. Really amazing. We should be happy here too. Because look at the ni'mah, the blessings of Allah. Yeah, like it's really beautiful. And we should enjoy. Yeah. Okay. So absolutely. Still, I'm younger. I'm not old. Yeah. So I think, as you said it, that happiness is in our heart. Yeah, inside exactly.
Yeah.
So we make ourselves happier in each and every situation. Mostly we are just like it depends in our thoughts, that how the thoughts we are using it. Yeah, and sometimes like. We say that happiness is here when you go to that place and that place. Yeah, it's all depends on you, that how you use your thoughts, how you sit with people, what kind of people you are sitting in. Yeah, so it's also yeah, it's agreed.
And
okay,
what is the next question?
the next question is that here's a question. Oh my god. Okay, are video games better?
He is in charge of asking questions, right?
Don't worry. All right. Are video games better for you than watching TV?
Video games or watching TV, I would say none of them. I'm sorry to say, especially for those who like video games or TV, but I would say none of them. I just love practical life.
Okay, exactly. The same like me personally.
Okay, I will hold this. And you will hold the mobile.
All right, no problem. Okay, so I think it's agreed. Yeah, personally, we should give priority to the practical learning, or I can say practical games. Yeah. So, for example, if you're playing football online, it's far better that you play, practically. Go to ground. It will be, exercise. Yeah.
In a practical environment, you do have a complete ecosystem. Ecosystem mean like you could do exercise. Your whole body is engaging, interacting with the practical world and with the social world. Your emotions, each and everything are purely triggered by the ecosystem around you.
Exactly.
So when you don't have this real world ecosystem and your emotions are triggered online, so that triggering is basically fake. And fake triggering would never ever give you energy to boost up your mental strength or your body strength.
Yeah,
this is my point.
Exactly. I really agree, because nowadays we are giving much more time to online games.
Yeah, especially you see the PUBG.
Even we lose prayers, and we are just losing our studies. Okay,
that's a job.
Okay,
he's answering, so he should hold it.
Okay, no problem. I'm here. Okay, so I think we should give more priority to. What was the question?
This is because of the online steps, right?
Exactly.
We forget the things.
Absolutely. That's the main point. That's the main point. We should give more time to like our practical things instead of online. If we busy all the time online, so it's actually we lost friends, we lost family, we lost each and everything.
Yeah.
We lost studies. Yeah. So that's why then we are blaming the the authorities that I got a very less marks in school, I got a very less marks in college, and I lost I am confused, I am bewildered, I'm alone. Why? All because of you are connected.
Yeah, of course. Virtual world is I would say dangerous. I'm so sorry, the internet world. Maybe you are listening to this because we do use the virtual world for a purpose. Come here.
Oh my god, I'm really scared. Oh my god, look at this tree. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You were.
Oh my god. Did you see the song? Did you see the song?
I saw. And this thing is very large, tall.
Oh my god, I'm really terrified. The sound, the howling sound, ever I've seen.
Okay, and you are about to cut this mic.
Protect me. I'm just kind of air. Oh my god. All right.
Okay. And if something is happening, please protect the mobile phone at least. This is the only one mobile.
What about me? If this calls me, then what will happen?
You protect yourself, but protect the mobile inside you.
Okay. All right.
I mean.
Okay, that's
okay. Great. Don't protect it.
Okay.
First is your protection.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
Let's come to other question.
Nothing will happen. Just come on, ask the question.
Look at this dangerous stone. All right. So now What is the worst than failing exam?
Which type of exam? Like there are two types of exams. One is the mobile the dear proposal for rather than is there.
All right, no problem.
One is the educational exams, right?
Okay.
Another is the real life exams.
Exactly.
So which one do you mean? The educational exams? Or?
Yeah, exactly. I'm talking about the educational exams because
I never ever think about the educational exams because they are totally explicit and they cannot measure our abilities holistically.
Okay.
So I don't think too much about the explicit exams. Yeah, they are okay. They are great, but I like they can't bother me.
Okay. Exactly. For me, I think exams are not that much tough. If we prepare ourselves very well for that, if we just do well rehearsal before at the start of the year, I agree.
Nani dear awale Havagano. Like he got there. He's afraid.
No, that's like exams are like when you get sometime we are getting stressed. We get anxious about the exam that what will happen in exam. So these thoughts are also worse than exam.
Yeah,
okay,
you're right.
So most of our students, I've seen them. They're saying, "What will happen? How many marks I'll get in exam?" Don't worry about that. Just prepare yourself. Just enjoy your studies. Just get a time for it. Try to do your study on time.
Okay, good.
On time, exactly.
Okay, so I think this was enough for today because the video is getting longer and longer.
The video is getting longer. I am scared from the stormy air too.
Yeah.
That it may not hurt us. I know you're not scary.
Okay, today just we enjoyed this thing, the wind.
You enjoy. Look at that. Is it enjoyable? Look at this tall tree. Oh my god!
Yeah.
Look at the back trees over there.
Yes, and thank you very much for watching Explain English. Please give us your suggestions and ta-da.
Ta-da! Did you see the song? I'm really scared from this tree.
Nothing happens. Don't worry.
Yeah. What will happen in exam? So these thoughts are also worse than exam. When you were younger.
Because we do use the virtual world for a purpose. Which type of exam? Like there are two types of exams. One is the mobile the dear proposal.
All right. Hello. I'm just enjoying the cool air.
The cool air.
And it's a stormy air.
Come here.
We should give more priority to. What was the question?
This is because of the online stuffs, right?
Exactly.
We forget protect the mobile phone at least. This is the only one mobile.
What about me? If this becomes me, then what will happen? Oh, learning English is really difficult and it's quite, tough and my brain is not working and, when I'm learning it, so something is happening here. I know what kind of lame excuses these are.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Today again we are starting the conversation, English conversation, and you see this guy. Where is he? What he's doing? Okay, so this is the person. I'm going to start the conversation.